Johnny. Happy blooper Sunday. I swear I should do a blooper reel because everything has gone wrong today. I started this video 4 times. The TV I had muted and it started going on again. The dog is barking. My mother's chopping something in the kitchen. My husband's sawing in the basement. We've just got all kinds of commotion. So anyway, I've got BoxyLuxe. This is the Lviv and Rose. BoxyLuxe is, you pay your $21 and then you pay an additional $29 every quarter and you get all kinds of cool stuff. So luckily I just unwrapped everything. We got this cool little train case that says Boxycharm in it. That's cool. That is a $20 value. We got the Cover FX. I actually got the wrong shade apparently. I got an email from their CEO, so they're giving me $45 in Boxycharms to spend in the store. So I'm like, okay, we'll take that. But these colors are really pretty anyway, so I'm not complaining. That'll be a good blush. We got the Moda 2 brushes here. $29 value. I love getting brushes in beauty boxes because I don't go out and buy brushes. I would never pay $29 for 2 brushes, but I love getting them in the beauty boxes. These are cool. I'm actually gonna, my blush seems to be fading. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. Oh my gosh, is that dark? Okay. I'm gonna rub some of that in. It's hard to put makeup on camera. I'm not good at that. That's one reason I don't do makeovers, but that looks pretty good because I'm not good at putting makeup on camera. So anyway, we got the brushes. Very cool. The Wander, oh, first, the iconic eyebrow. This is like, I swear, this is like some sort of like thing out of like Star Trek or Doctor Who. This is definitely high sci-fi. Check this out. Open this up. There's a little, oops, a little like door here. You open this up. This was sealed. And then there's this like cool like brush that you like take out there. And then the product is like kind of like this. So you can have like really high-tech brows. If I grow my hair out, I'll have eyebrows again and I can show you what my eyebrows look like. So anyway, next up, Wander Beauty. We got the, this is a mouthful, Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I love a good peel off. It's like a berry flavor scent. But check it out. It's super metallic. That's really pretty though, isn't it? Oh, it smells good too. Okay, so we got a peel off. I would never pay $34 for a peel off mask though. Once again, why I get the beauty boxes. So there we go. That is kind of cool. Now I got stuff all over my finger. Okay. What's up next? Oh, the Lily Lashes. $24.99. One of these days I should try and put lashes on camera. It would be a complete disaster. I'd probably end up on some sort of like, you know, old people of YouTube video who can't see. You try and put eyelashes on camera. So I'm not sure that's a good idea. I envy the girls who can put these on camera and make it look so pretty. Oh, It Cosmetics. I am actually gifting this to my mother-in-law. I have tried the confidence cream and I don't know why. I'm just not liking this. It's a $49 or $48 value. A lot of people like this. It just, for some reason, it's just not my thing. I don't know why. It didn't, no, I just broke the lid. No, I didn't. I don't know. It just doesn't do anything for me. Got a nice scent. But for some reason, this just didn't work for me. So, my mother-in-law is actually asking me about if I had any moisturizing cream, so I think I'm just going to give this to her. Next up, oh, I'm excited about this. My mother's actually stealing this from me. She already told me that this is hers. This is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. It's a moisturizing 8-hour formula. So let me just show you this $24 value. It's a pretty color too. Actually, I think that's going to suit my mother better anyway. It's kind of dark. So that's kind of pretty. So we got the lipstick. Yeah, really nice. Sunday continues. The dog was barking. There was all kinds of noise, so I had to stop the video. So I just did the Becca lipstick, which is cool. And now, next up, this is the Morphe 15 shade artistry palette and $16 value. I've never tried anything from Morphe before. I don't know if I'm the only person on the planet who's never tried it, but I just, there, swatched it. Pretty metallic shades in here. definitely a all brown palette going on there, which I don't own, so it's hefty, this case too. So that's kind of cool. And then what do we have here? The last thing we have, oh, we got nail polish. This is the Deborah Lippmann Odana and Modern Love. Deborah Lippmann. Okay, so we got 2 nail polishes in here, which you know I'll always take a good nail polish. This is a $20 value. So overall, I always like getting BoxyLuxe because it's just kind of fun to see what you get. I think it's absolutely worth the $50 you pay for it. So I refuse to get rid of Boxycharm. That's like, as I was focusing my channel a little bit more on what I was actually going to be doing, I was like, I'm not getting rid of Boxycharm because I love it so much. So I've got Ipsy coming. I'm also going to do a video on those new protective hair products from Bath and Body Works in a few minutes, so that'll be my second video for today. And then tomorrow I'm going to go back to doing some of my sink demos. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. You know me, I got more stuff coming. I will see you guys later. Hopefully Blooper Sunday does not like continue into my Bath and Body Works video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.